Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Johnny. Today I'm going to discuss another important grammar, the sentence. So let's start today's lesson. The sentence. The sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, she's reading a novel. It's a group of words and it makes complete sense. That is why it is called a sentence. If I remove any of these words, it will not be completed. Suppose I remove the word novel. Now, a question may arise in your mind. She is reading a what? That means it is not completed. So, we should add the word novel to complete the sense. So, we can say that to be a sentence, the sense must be completed. I hope you can understand. Every sentence has two essential parts: subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is the part about which something is being said. For example, the flower bloomed. In this sentence, something is being said about the flower. That is why the flower is a subject. We can make a question with what to find out the subject. What bloomed? The answer is the flower. That means the flower is a subject. The next one is Bob painted. In this sentence, something is being said about Bob. That is why Bob is a subject. We can make a question with who to find out the subject. Who painted? The answer is Bob. That means Bob is a subject. On the other hand, the predicate of a sentence is the part which says something about the subject. For example, Bill told everyone about the wreck. In this sentence, the red part is saying something about the subject Bill. That is why the red part is a predicate. The next one is Sue plays the piano well. In this sentence, plays the piano well is saying something about the subject Sue. That is why the red part is a predicate. I hope you can understand. Types of sentence according to meaning. Now tell me, how many types of sentence are there? There are 5 types of sentence according to meaning. There are assertive or declarative sentence. It is also called statement sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and finally exclamatory sentence. Now let's go to the definition of declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. It starts with a subject and ends with a full stop. For example, I love cheese pizza. This sentence starts with a subject I and ends with a full stop. That is why I love cheese pizza is a declarative sentence. Other examples. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. You are a brilliant student. My favorite color is green. What do all these sentences have in common? Every sentence starts with a subject and ends with a full stop. That is why every sentence here is a declarative sentence. The interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Its ending punctuation mark is a question mark. For example, how old are you? This sentence asks a question and it ends with a question mark. That is why it is called an interrogative sentence. Other examples. What grade are you in? What time is it? Can you tell me how to get to railway station? What do all of these sentences have in common? Every sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. That is why every sentence here is an interrogative sentence. An imperative sentence gives instructions of many kinds: an order, a command, an advice, a request, a forbiddance, etc. It starts with a verb and ends with a full stop. For example, sharpen your pencil. It's an instruction, and it starts with a verb and ends with a full stop. That is why it is an imperative sentence. Other examples: always speak the truth. Please help me. Do not chew food with your mouth open. What do all of these sentences have in common? Every sentence gives instruction, and they start with a verb and ends with a full stop. But the first sentence, always speak the truth, is exceptional because it didn't start with a verb. There is an adverb always before the verb because always modifies the verb speak. That is why it plays before the verb. So we should be careful about that. An operative sentence expresses a prayer, a keen wish, a curse, etc. It starts with may, long, and wish, and ends with a full stop. For example, may Allah bless you all. This sentence expresses a prayer, and it starts with may and ends with a full stop. That is why it is called an operative sentence. Other examples: wish you a happy journey. Long live our president. May our team win the match. What do all of these sentences have in common? Every sentence starts with may, long, wish, and ends with a full stop. That is why all of them are operative sentences. And finally, the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling of joy, grief, warning, concern, fear, etc. It ends with an exclamation mark. For examples, yikes, there is a spider on my foot. It's a strong feeling of fear, and it ends with an exclamation mark. Other examples: yippee, I love this roller coaster. It's a strong feeling of joy. School is finally over today. It also expresses joy. Alas, his father is dead. It expresses a grief. What do all of these sentences have in common? Every sentence ends with an exclamation mark. That is why all of them are exclamatory sentences. Now, do some exercise. Write the answer on your exercise book and submit the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Have a great day. Alright guys, that was my video on the sentence. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you are connected with me by subscribing my channel and following my Facebook page. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.